The vault has a map. It's called a boxplot. This is the vault's blueprint. Q1 and Q3 hold the thresholds. The corridor. That's where the clue hums. And in between, quiet, steady, the median stands guard. This version. It's a modified boxplot. Outliers don't stretch the whiskers, they stand alone. This time, we saw the vault's blueprint first. Q1 marks the lower 25%. Q3, the lower 75%. Together, they guard the corridor. The corridor's width. That's the IQR, interquartile range. It tells us how tightly the vault holds its secrets. This vault isn't just numbers, it's a pattern. The corridor hums with quiet tension. But one value stands apart. Why? That's for Sunday. In dataset A, the corridor is calm. In dataset B, someone's wandered too far. This is the vault's layout. Q1 marks the first threshold. Q3, the last. The space between. That's the quiet range. The median is inside the quiet range. The minimum value marks the lower whisker, the maximum value marks the upper whisker. Most stay within. But sometimes, someone wanders. The vault has spoken. Now build your own. Use the boxplot. Find the strayers. The Stat Sleuth Lab awaits.